Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome to today's storytelling session. Have you ever heard the term dog riot? Do you know when did the first riot in Bombay take place? And who started this riot? The first riot in Bombay took place in the year 1832. The duration of the riot was from 6th to 7th of June, and this riot was initiated by the Parsis, the most peace-loving and classy people of Mumbai. The British rulers wanted to get rid of stray dogs. So in 1813, they passed a rule where anyone can kill a stray dog by paying some bounty. That means by paying some small amount of money as a penalty or fine, anybody can kill a stray dog. But as this involved paying of some money, somehow killing of stray dogs was in control. But in the year 1832, the Britishers extended the rule. They said that they offered some monetary reward of 8 annas to anybody and everybody who would kill a stray dog. So this encouraged not only killing of stray dogs in Bombay, but also killing of private pet dogs. How horrible, how inhuman was that? Now, the Parsis were deeply offended at this, because in Parsi religion, that is Zoroastrianism, the dogs are considered to be holy, as they are believed to accompany souls after life. Very similar to our Mahabharata story, where Yudhishthir was accompanied by a dog while he was traveling to heaven. Also, the Bahana, the carrier of Vairava, that is the most fearsome form of Lord Shiva, is a dog. Anyway, though the Parsis, 200 Parsis gathered in the fort area of Bombay, and they confronted the dog killers, dog catchers, and tried to restrict them. They marched to the court. So arrests of Parsi leaders were made and violence broke out, and as a protest, the next day, the Parsis of Mumbai, they shut off all their businesses. This created an economic disruption in Mumbai, because the Parsis are the major contributor. That time also, they were the major contributor in shaping today's Bombay. So finally, the British government had to back down. They changed the rule that the stray dogs would be relocated outside the city area, but they would not be killed. So very similar to today's stray dog situation in India, isn't it?